Bobby Stein, y'all. I'm on Highway 82. I'm east of Greenwood, several miles. Today I'm headed towards Carrollton, Mississippi. Haven't been over there in several years, so I thought I would revisit that beautiful little town. Technically, it's not in the Mississippi Delta, but it's only about maybe 5 or 6 miles outside the Delta. You can sort of see where the Delta ends and the hills begin. These are called the Lowest Bluffs. And they were built up over millions of years by the dust and dirt being blown eastward over the Mississippi Delta. This is where the Delta ends and the hills begin. And this is kudzu on the side of the hills. I believe that was a plant imported from Japan back in the early 1900s or late 1800s, imported to allow soil control, soil erosion control, and it more or less took over wherever it was planted. A lot of the movie The Reivers was shot in Carrollton. The Reivers was a book by William Faulkner. And it just so happens I finished a book by Ben Wasson named Count No Count. He was the arts and literary editor of the Delta Democrat Times of Greenville for many years. And Ben Wasson and William Faulkner were close friends for a long time. They met each other while going to Ole Miss back in the around 1920. They were fraternity brothers. Also, Ben Wasson was William Faulkner's first literary agent. And they knew each other and were friends for many years. They were friends in New York. They both worked in Hollywood and Oxford and Greenville. William Faulkner came over to Ben Wasson's house many times and was friends of the family. What puzzled me was the abrupt ending of Ben Wasson's book. Their friendship just ended abruptly, and he never explained why or what happened. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoy Carrollton, Mississippi, y'all. Now we're in North Carrollton.